Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Naomi. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys my flip over sewing tutorial. My mom does my hair, by the way, because these New York City girlies be charging an arm and a leg and I don't got it for them. I look a hot mess, but it's like a kid in a candy store. I was mad happy. I have loose deep wave bundles in the sizes 20, 22, 24. All right, that's my mommy right there in the background. We look a hot mess right now, but not too much on us. Back to the video. So I'm using this soft weave net because the hard ones that she usually sews my hair with is so tough on my scalp. Like, I have sensitive scalp, sensitive skin, sensitive everything. So the soft one gives me the ability to scratch my hair properly and oil my hair as well. Ignore the mess in the background too. But yeah, that's us at the top of my hair. Wow, this video went by really fast. After that, she laid the tracks across. Like, we cut the tracks and she laid them across. This is the next morning. I beat my face for church. Happy Easter. And I'm not a baby hairs type of girl, but I did just get a fresh relaxer. So my things is laid, but if it was crispy and crunchy, it would have just stayed crispy and crunchy, y'all. Like, I'm not the super edge control type of vibe girly because it just be turning white. I don't know. If you guys have a good edge control, let me know down below in the comments. But this hair is really nice. I put no product on it so far. I feel like I could have added more bundles in it to get like a more dense look, more volume. But it looks really great. I've been getting the compliments all day. It's so soft. As far as the tangling, I don't have any as of yet, but I do use this hair. I had it in like deep wave and water wave before, and it got really, really tangly because, you know, it's such a high maintenance. That's why I was like, let me try loose deep wave and see what it's hitting for, because my bundle guy, he is so honest with me. He let me know like which one is not good texture, which one is not, which one is good texture. This is Brazilian hair. I did tell you guys it's in the length 20, 22, 24, right? And I wish it was a little longer because this is definitely going to be my birthday hair as well, because my birthday is April 20th. I'll be turning 28. But this is me just showing you guys. I'm teasing it out. I hope my tutorial was helpful. I know it went by fast, but you guys could see what I'm doing in it. Yeah, she just did like U-shaped at first. You see when she was sewing on the track, she did it in a U-shape for like 3 times, and then after she started doing it like regular sewing, like side to side, and then in the front we started going back to the U-shape again. And then after that, I wasn't paying attention. I felt like she brought it in a little too close, but we cut the little tracks and we sized it to my head and put it across at the ending. And then at night, I just do them little braids and literally pull it out. And this is what it's giving. It's so tea to me. I don't know. What do you guys think? I love it. It's cute. I just feel like it could have had a little more hair in it, which I do have 2 pieces left. So I'm going to ask my mom to put it in for me. But as of right now, it looks pretty good to me. I like it. It gives like a little, obviously not natural vibe, but not like, you know, like that's not hair for real. But for now, while the perm is fresh, it gives, yes, this is my hair. Thank you. And like I said, it is versatile. So if I wanted to, I could put it in a ponytail. It's all in the back as well. I'm not sure. Did I show you guys the back? Because I've been cutting. Okay. I'm about to show y'all that if I wanted to put in a pony, I could put in a pony. But ignore that. I promise it's going to blend by the time I'm ready to put in a pony. Or I'll just simply put a headband on it. It's not my fault. It's not my mom's fault. I'm a little bald-headed on the sides. But yes, this is tea. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And I really, really hope it was helpful, because when it's time for my mom to do my hair, we be on YouTube. So I'm like, let me record this and show the girlies how my mommy do my hair. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Ooh, your girl is being a little provocative. Hello? This shirt is from Fashion Nova and it was just busting out. And I do not have a big bust, so I don't know about that. But anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye. Mwah.